Welcome back, rum friends. Today I've got another brand new rum cocktail for you to try. This one's for those of you that love a daiquiri, obviously, but this one's kind of got like an orange and apricot vibe to it. Now I'm on a mission to create 100 brand new rum cocktails. The wider mission, well, I'll let you know about that later in 2026, early 2027. But I would say my style of rum cocktails, I wouldn't really call it tiki. I wouldn't really call it tropical either. I would just call it fun, faff-free, and flipping tasty. So if that sounds like fun, if you want more rum cocktails like that, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Right, let's crack on and make this cocktail. I've called it the Stone Daiquiri for reasons which will come very apparent in a couple of minutes. We'll start off with my Dropworks unaged blends. What this actually is will be in the description, or if you've downloaded my free PDF ebook, you will see it in there. And also, keep forgetting this, Dropworks are giving you guys 10% off any of their rums. There's a code in the description of this video. Hop over to Dropworks website, drop the code in, and you got 10% off. Job is a good one. But I'm going to talk you through this in a second. 60 ml, 2 ounces of your favourite sort of unaged rum. My way of building cocktails is always doing a sour, so booze, sour, or citrus sugar. So I'm going for the lime juice next. Straight 30 ml, 1 ounce of lime juice. Then I'm going for my sweetener. Instead of sugar or anything like that, I've got this triple sec orange syrup here from Finest Cool. So I'm going for that, 20 ml, 20. And then you're thinking, hang on, Stone, where's that coming from? Well, apricot. It's a stone fruit, isn't it? And I flipping love apricot. So this is effectively like an orange and apricot daiquiri. All right. And I'm going to go 15 ml, half an ounce here. Then after a good shake, I'm going to double strain this into a Nick and Nora glass. This is from Urban Bar as well. That'll be in the description. I've got my lovely little double strainer there from Urban Bar as well. I flipping love a daiquiri. Rum lime sugar, it's like the best cocktail ever. Oh, that is so good. The orange note and the apricot note, as all it is, you're taking a classic daiquiri, swapping the sugar for orange, you're adding a touch of apricot. That is beautiful. The rum doesn't go missing either. That's stunning. And look, there's not really much to talk you through here. The rum blend, as I say, don't forget the Dropworks 10% off discount code that you can get off their website. Any of their rums on their website. The code is in my description of this video. Before I go any further, I just want to give a quick shout out to a new brand that I'm working with on this channel. And use of a discount code that will actually work if you're UK, US, or Europe. Now that brand is Urban Bar. They are famous for their cocktail equipment and glassware. And going forward on this channel, most of the equipment and most of the glassware that I use will be actually from Urban Bar. There is a 15% discount that you can use on your first 5 orders. And remember, that is UK, US, and Europe. This is just simply a blend of Clear Drop and Funk Drop. The ratios will be in the description below, but it's great. Instead of, I just bottle it up. Instead of having to use 2 bottles, it's ready to go. It's fantastic. The apricot liqueur from Luxardo, I just think it's the best apricot liqueur on the market. I've been banging on about that. It's getting the UK now for years. Finally dropped early February 2026. And the orange is just a great, like the triple sec is just a great syrup swap. It's orange syrup instead of plain syrup. It just works. Orange and apricot. It's a fantastic daiquiri. Love it. Right, questions. If I said to you recreate a daiquiri, rum, lime, sugar, what would you do? Let me know in the description below. And if you want to see another rum cocktail that I've created, dive into that video up on screen now. Right, cheers.